Room for crew and cargo.
Say good morning. Oh.
We built escape with Ford Copilot 360.
There we go. Okay, so today's video, we are going to be opening a package for brother. We already started setting up his room, and we got like a month until he gets here. Is that for brother? Are you excited for brother? Yeah? Okay, well first we want to say thank you to Uncle Alan and Aunt Denise because they ordered it off our registry, and we are so excited. They were so excited. So thank you. Thank you. Yeah. You're not excited for brother, huh? You said, I only baby. I the only baby. Yeah. You will learn to love him. Oh, you went down? Oh, take. Oh, there you go. Bubba. Okay, so I put Fallon down for a nap because she was really cranky and I don't know why. So a few of these things. Not showing my address. Okay. I'm really excited, but I'm trying to be quiet because I know I'll wake her up and she's really cranky. But look, he's got little rattles. He's gonna love them. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. You're gonna love these. Okay, I'm so excited. Well, not rattles, maracas, but they're still soft, which means he can play with them. Okay. What is this? We have already started hanging up his clothes for his closet and everything, so this is perfect timing. Here's one of them. Little dinosaurs. That is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so cute. Gotta get pictures of all of these. We're gonna be Mike Wazowski for Halloween. It's so cute. And this one has cars and airplanes and rocket ships. These are closer. These are so cute. Oh, my heart. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not prepared for a boy. But I'm getting there. These are like adorable. And then we got Daddy's sidekick, which is adorable. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to see right there. But it's still cute. So excited. Literally right after I just say it's adorable. And then we got this one. Oh, look at the little pocket. I'm getting too excited. Okay. And you guys, we have a month left. That's it. Just a month. And then we got some coupons for preemie clothes, which is great. I'm going to use that to shop for more clothes. So Aunt Niece and Uncle Alan got her a little blanket. I'm so used to Fallon. Oh my goodness. I meant him. Got him a little blanket. And I want to open it to feel how soft it is, but I don't because I want him to feel how soft it is when he gets here. So we're going to keep it closed. And I'm not going to show you guys that because I have a whole different video for the nursery tour type thing. So we're going to put these up and get Fallon up. And yeah. These are so cute. I'm just so excited. Okay. So, oh my goodness, these are so cute. Okay. I'm like fanning over a bunch of baby stuff right now, but it's okay. We're gonna hang these up and just put this back. Okay. So, last but not least, I want to give a big thank you to Aunt Niece and Uncle Alan because those were his first gifts, and oh my goodness, they are the cutest thing ever. I can't wait to take pictures of him in those clothes. But again, thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the unboxing of the registry gifts.